Ndewono and welcome to my Igbo channel. So in this episode, we're going to be learning how to make statements about the future or ask questions concerning the future using ga. Just like the English sentence, you use will. Will you? I will, to say something that will happen in the future or ask question about the future. Don't get confused about ga meaning to go. Ga also means will. So let's get to it. So first, let's start with the question. Something like, will you? Will I? So here we have asking future questions in Igbo language using ga. For personal questions, we have aga m aga ahịa echi. So it's a question. Aga m aga ahịa echi. Will I go to market tomorrow? Watch the tune because it can go a different way and it will be a statement. Aga m aga ahịa echi. Will I go to market tomorrow? So if you want to ask someone a question, you ask, ị ga-aga ahịa n'ehihie? Will you go to market tomorrow? So you watch pronoun come first. Ị ga-aga ahịa n'ehihie? Ị ga-aga ahịa n'ehihie? So, future statements. Here we are just making statements, not questions. Like I say, you should watch the tune. Aga m aga ahịa echi. If you watch, it's the same statement, but in the other one, the tone rise, making it a question. But here it's lows. Aga m aga ahịa echi. I'm telling you, I'll go to market tomorrow. Aga m aga ahịa echi. So if I want to ask someone, if I want to tell someone, report someone, this person will go to market tomorrow or will go to somewhere tomorrow, I will say, ọ ga-abịa ọnwa ọzọ. He or she will come next month. Ọ ga-abịa ọnwa ọzọ. So that's it for future tenses. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and share for more Igbo videos. Ka emesiano. Bye.